Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for inquiring on our Skoda Karoq 1.5 petrol edition automatic LV18GSU. Now this vehicle comes in moon white metallic. Just inside the vehicle now, as you see, it's done 14,373 miles. The vehicle has automatic headlights, as well as push to start function. This vehicle has built-in satellite navigation and also smart link for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle has heated front seats and dual climate control zones and a DSG gearbox. Now this vehicle is also equipped with an LED interior light pack. Just inside the interior, as you can see, it's full leather. Now this vehicle also has a reversing camera, as well as rear reversing sensors. And finally, the panoramic sunroof. So if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon on 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.